Hello viewers, my name is Advert Omashone. I am an Urhobo language tutor. I have been teaching Urhobo language for the past 5 years or more, and I've recorded some good success. All my learners so far have been able to speak the Urhobo language to a great level of proficiency within a period of 3 months teaching methodologies to make sure that teaching is effective whenever I am with my learners, such as the use of music during lessons so as to make the lessons more memorable, storytelling, and in the process of the storytelling I make use of code mixing and code switching so that learners can learn the language using contextual clues. And of course I make use of acting and the use of pre-recorded videos to show learners how native speakers of the language interact with the language in real time. The internet, listen to virtual learning. Mi yone e bako tit mi dete ada di Urhobo je mi de yono Urhobo na mi vie ikwegbe yo mi vie uneswo yo eka ojugba ti pro eje mi jigwe vie i video la ka yo petuge le mi wala yo to se ni pre-recorded video jiwo ba uyo na. I own a degree in English and Literary Studies, postgraduate diploma in education, a lot of other certifications